welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you guys can tell by the title, y'all already know what time it is. Yes, I'm looking like a rat. Yes, I'm looking dusty and crusty, but never mind all that, babe. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for Christmas, Black Friday, all that stuff. And yeah, I honestly, as I'm thinking about right now, I didn't even pull out all the stuff that I got. Like, oh my goodness. But I'm gonna show you guys everything that I can show you guys right now. And one of the most important things that I'm gonna show you guys is one of the biggest gifts I got. Like, I ain't never got nothing. Nobody ever got me nothing. And I'm gonna save the best gift for last. Like, so stay tuned for that. Yes, I'm just gonna do on the clothes section or whatever. We're gonna start with whatever is behind me. So I got 3 pair of joggers, stacked jogger. I got the red, the black, and the gray. These hoes are so heavy and so thick. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to get these. So, you know, I don't know what I'm gonna wear them with. Like, I got all these jumpsuits, all these sweatsuits and stuff like that right there that's coming in the mail, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can't believe like I had ordered that many sweatsuits. I also got some of these in different colors. This is just a black set. This is a long sleeve plain set because I don't have like no plain long sleeve shirts or no plain like short sleeve shirts, and it came with these flared bottoms with pockets on the side, and I love some pockets, period. You can never go wrong with that. So I got these in green and I think red as well. I just didn't feel like pulling all that stuff out, y'all, because it's days before Christmas. I don't put everything up. The only thing I really saved for last is the stuff I bought like literally the days before Christmas. Like, oh my goodness. So we finna go into the bag. Y'all, I didn't get that much stuff. Like, I showed y'all like my True Religion that I bought, you know, my jackets and stuff like that right there that I bought for Black Friday. That was like some of my Christmas gifts. So go back and watch my Black Friday haul. Some of those gifts are included in this video. Some of them, like, I left them out because, like, I already showed you guys. But basically, that's what I got myself. So I got, let me see, some more hoodies and some more clothes. I'm gonna show you guys all this stuff. I didn't really get myself a lot of stuff this year, y'all, like I did last year. Last year I OD'd. Like, I got purses, I got me a new TV, I got me new like shoes, I got me new everything. But this year, y'all, I was balling on a budget, and like I was just like, I'm not finna overdo it because I don't know what's finna go on. I don't know what's finna happen. I need to stack my money, stack my bread. It's show enough, girl, show enough. I needed to do that once. So first I got this black Von Dutch hoodie. It says Von Dutch. It's just like, it sparkles just like my other True Religion hoodie that I just got. So it says Von Dutch, not too much, nothing on the front, nothing on the back. Real tea. I love this jacket. I will be starting to wear these hoodies. So I got a black one. I also got a pink one. This is so tea. I love the pink one. I don't know what's been going on. I feel like I'm in my pink era. It has it on the sleeves as well. So yes, I got these. These were a steal. This is the only things I could find. Y'all saw me in my vlogs. Was I not struggling to find some of these items that I was looking for that was trending? Like, I was just like, oh my gosh. So I also got this True Religion shirt right here. It's plain, nothing major. I really don't like it. It's a large. We're gonna see how she fit or whatever. And yeah, I don't know, boo. Then I got this regular pink shirt. I told y'all, like, consciously I have been getting a lot of pink stuff, like a pink bed, pink rug, pink wheel cover in my car. You get what I'm saying? I got on a pink bonnet, been buying pink shoes, just pink in my bathroom. Like, ew, I've never been a pink person. Like, I'm a blue girl. Just let y'all know, I'm a blue girl. Like, I love blue, but they ain't really have too many blue options. I got these incredible, comfortable pajama pants. I don't know if they pajamas or joggers, but let me take this tag off. Go ahead and take that tag off, boo, because I'm gonna be wearing these pretty soon because they are so comfortable. They feel amazing. Like, I love that for me. So basically, y'all, that is it for my clothes and stuff like that right there. I'm gonna put this up. I'm gonna put all this up, really. Let me take the tag off this stuff, girl. Let me take the tag off this stuff, y'all. I ain't even take the tag off this stuff. Crazy work. I'm gonna put this stuff up as soon as I get off. Let me go ahead and put it over there so I can put it up and stuff. I also got me a new wallet. I'm gonna take the tag off of this. Oh, come on. Trying to take the tag off. Take the tag off of this. I got me a new wallet, which is blue. It is so cute, girl. It was just like $3.99, $4.99. I had to get her. So tea, so cute. I got these shoes that I like from Ross. You know, I had seen them at Ross. I was just like, oh yeah, I got to get me some of these. Period. I gotta take the tag and stuff off. All this stuff just got tags still on there. I just kept it on there, kept it under the tree and everything just for this video. But girl, I should have been took all this stuff off these shoes. But yeah, so I got these or whatever. They're 8.5. They is so tea. I love them. They is Reeboks. I don't have no green shoes for real. So I like wearing shoes that's outside of the box. And I feel like I can, you know what I'm saying, do my ones with those. Like, T. Hold on. Let me show you guys my other pair of shoes that I bought, like, right before, like, around Black Friday time. I bought these Jordans or whatever. Y'all see them. I only wore these one time, and I put them back in the box. Like, these are the type of shoes you could just wear one time because I said, like, girl, you don't have no low-top pink shoes. And I went and bought some high-top pink shoes. Like, anyway, I actually got a pair of these. Like, I got a pair of these in a different color. Matter of fact, I got the same exact pair, but a different pink and a different design. It's more white, then it got pink. Like, I just be doing stuff. Like, I don't even know why I got these. Like, no shade. I should have waited and got them down. I knew I wasn't going to be able to get them black cats, so I just went ahead and got them. Because, bro, black cats is sold out. Do you hear me? Them gammas sold out too. I was just like, bro, tragic. It wasn't like last year when I got them, other ones. Y'all know the blue and white ones I'm talking about. I can't even think of the name right now. I got them quick. But this year, they wasn't playing. Everybody got them but me. So I got these Sambas or whatever because I've been wanting some cute low top Sambas. I got them in, you know, brown because I got a lot of fall colors. And I could just throw this on and stuff like that right there. I did not want the regular white and black pair. No, everybody got those. I don't want to be like everybody else. I don't. I really don't. So, boom. What else I got? I showed y'all this Glamaholic tote. Like, I got the big one. I should have got a crossbody too, but I had just went on that site and went ahead on and got what I could. Because, baby, her stuff be selling out fast. So, yes, stuff still on it. I haven't wore it yet. I got the, you know, Glamaholic, you know, holographic purse. Everybody, you know, doing their purses like this now. And I loved it. I live, y'all. I live. I also got 3 wigs. 3 freaking wigs. I.e., you guys see me with the bundle on. I'm finna get into my wig era. I'm finna install a wig. Gotta go see if I got some bleach. So I really need to go put these to the side. I got a 99J wig. And I got a deep wave. And I got a body wave. So 28-inch, 30-inch, and another 28-inch. Period. Bust down all the way to my yays. So, also, y'all, so I know this video is kind of quick. Gotta move it along. Can't make it too long because I ain't really getting nothing this year. I ain't really do too much. I ain't do Madonna. Had to pay my bills. You know what I'm saying? That was my gift to myself. Pay my bills. Make sure the bill was right. And long as my son was... Why is that beeping? Long as my son was happy, that's all that matters. But this is my last gift. I did not get this for myself, y'all. I have been talking about this camera forever in the day. I've been talking about this camera forever in the day, y'all. Y'all know these. So my friend ended up getting me this camera, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Like, this might as well be the unboxing video too. This might as well be because I'm finna show you guys. I was gonna do a whole unboxing video, but nah. Why does shit want to beep when I start making my video? Like my batteries ain't changed or something. Y'all, I don't know why gas beeping, but they need to come fix that. Ain't nothing wrong with them damn batteries. Nothing. The landlord just came over here and checked. So why is it beeping throughout the house? It's not the only one beeping. Anyway, so y'all look, oh my goodness. I could a million right now. I'm just playing. Let me stop. Bro, when I tell you I had to give him some of that chicken won. Because I've been wanting this camera forever. If y'all didn't know, now y'all know. This is the Osmo Pocket 3. Oh my goodness. Let me take the case off. Let me turn her on. Ooh, let me turn her on. There she is. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at my camera. Look, I finally is a part of the Osmo Pocket 3 gang, y'all. Like, can y'all believe this? Like, when a person listens to you and what you want and stuff like that right there, and they just go and get it, because I was not expecting this. I've been talking about this camera forever, literally, and I was just like, you know what, I wasn't gonna get it this year. I ain't even gonna lie, because I was just like, I got more important things to spend my money on than $1,000 camera, because I need the equipment, baby. The stand, hold on, let me put this down. Got the stand, thank you. Got the battery pack thingy, extender, and another extender clip, and it came with a charger, and it came with this hard case. Well done, boo. Well done, like, well done. He got the whole complete package, not just the, you know what I'm saying, the camera, and I love it. The quality is clear. The transferring the data is awesome. It's so easy. It's so much lightweight than my other camera. It follows you. You get what I'm saying? You see how it's following and stuff, and you see how it's turning around by itself. Like, I can edit. I can hear my videos. I could, like, confirm, watch my videos play back and hear the sound really loud. I can delete my videos. I already set the camera settings to be crisp and the quality to be clear. And y'all, guess what? Like, this shit Bluetooth accessible. You also can charge it with a regular USB charger. It's fully charged right now. I really need to get a larger SD card because it came with an SD card, and it only has like an hour and 30 on there, and I need like one with like 8 hours on there, so I won't have to keep buying SD cards and stuff. But yeah, Osmo Pocket 3, the camera, got everything that goes with it, and I'm excited. So I just ordered me a silicone case, and I should have got me one of those things that go in your wrist. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all know what I'm talking about? A thing that go in your wrist. If it has like a slide for that, I should have got a thing that like goes on your wrist so I can, like, you know. But it is what it is. I just love it. Like, it's so small. I can literally go out and be recorded, and people, of course going to still be looking at you because you're going to be talking to yourself and stuff like that right there. But it's not as big as my other camera. Like, no shade. I want to do a compare and contrast video, but, like, you know, I'm not really into the tech savvy stuff. I don't know if you guys are, but I could do a compare and contrast between the Canon EOS M200 and the Osmo Pocket 3. That camera I've been having for years. Going on, what, 4 years, I think 4 years, something like that, 3 to 4 years. I had that camera, nothing wrong with it. Still, with the quality, it's crisp. That's what I've been recording throughout my YouTube, my phone, and my Canon. So now I'm going to start recording videos with this, and we're going to see a difference in quality. And if you guys see the camera moving, you know, it also has like a little thing where you can move the little camera up and down and stuff like that right there. I feel like it's blurry. I feel like it needs to be wiped off because I see like a film on it. I don't know if you could just wipe it off. But yeah, I am excited. Like, I'm not going to keep talking and rambling about, you know what I'm saying, this camera, but I just love, this is basically it. Like, this is it. Like, this is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I was looking for. Like, period. And it turns off as you know what I'm saying, boom, and watch this, boom, 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 period. And then you just put the case back on there like so, put it back in the thing. Y'all, like, what? I'm in love. I'm obsessed, and I don't feel bad about it. Like, what? I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Real bad. But yeah, y'all, so that was basically like the ultimate gift ever. Like, I really love that for me. I've been wanting this camera forever. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, y'all, so what did y'all get for Christmas? I didn't get too much or whatever, but let me know some items that you guys have for Christmas, what you guys do for Christmas and stuff like that right there. Happy holidays, you know what I'm saying? We finna go into a new year, period, y'all. Period. But yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.